Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to solve the problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks. Problem name is maximum diamonds. Okay, so here is the problem statement, and we try to understand this problem using the simple given example. Okay, so in the given example, the array length is 5. That means there are 5 elements in the array, and the value of k is 3. This value is given as mint, means 3 mints. Okay, now we take the maximum value and replace it by dividing by 2. Okay, and we perform this task in 3 times. Okay, so we take in this given array the maximum value is what? 7. So we take 7, add in the sum, and replace this value by the divide by 2. Okay, so array will be 2 1, and when we replace 7, to 7 by 2 is what? 3. So we replace 7 with 3, and so array will become like this. Now what is the maximum value in this array is what? 4. So we add this 4 in our resultant answer and replace this 4 by 2. Okay, so array will be 2 1 3 4. 4 by 2 is 2 and 2. So array will become that. So now we take the maximum value from the array is what? 3. So we add this 3 in our resultant answer and replace it by divide by 2. So 3 by 2 is what? 1. So array will be like this. So we perform this task in the given k times. Okay, so when we add this 3 plus 4 is what? 11. 11 plus 3 is what? 14. So 14 will be the answer of that question. So this is our simple question. Now try to understand the approach to solving this problem. So what we do, we take the maximum element from the array in each iteration. So we use max heap here because the value on the top in max heap is always greater than to all the elements. So what firstly we make the priority queue from these elements, and after that we take the greater element on the top and add into our sum, and we perform this task in maximum k times. Okay, so initially we try to make the max heap from these elements. So firstly we add 2 in the priority queue. Okay, next we add 1. So okay, so 1 here. The property of max heap is says that the element on the top is always greater than to the child node. Okay, we try to add 7. So we add 7 here, but the child node value is greater than to the root value. So we replace these values. So pre like be 7, 1 and 2. So this is max heap. Okay, now we add this value 4 in the max heap 4. But here is condition is also violated. So we replace these values. So max heap will be 4, 2 and 1. Okay, now we add 2 here. So we add 2 here. So this is our max heap. In this max heap, all the values on the parent node is always greater than the value on the child node. Okay, now we perform the task. We take the root value and add into the sum, and we perform this task in at max k time. Okay, so firstly what we do, we take this 7, we take this 7, add into the sum, take 7, add into the sum, and replace this 7 by 7 by 2 is what? 3. So here is condition violated. So what we do, we replace these values. So 4 will become the root, 3 will be the child node, 2, 1 and what? 2. So what is the next task? We decrement this value by what? 2. Now we need to perform this task at max 2 time. Okay, so we add this 4 value in our sum and replace it by 4 by 2 is what? 2. Here is condition violated, so we replace these values. So tree will be like 3, true, 2, 1 and 2. So we replace these values. Now we take this top of the tree, add in our resultant answer and replace it by what? 3 by 2 is what? 1. And here is condition violated. 1 is less than 2. So we replace this. So tree will be like 2, 2, 1 and 2. And these value will be replaced. So here is what? 1. So this is our tree and we add these values. 3 plus 4 is what? 11. 11 is plus 3 is what? 14. So 14 will be the output of that question. So what we do? Firstly, we take a priority queue, add all the element from the array in the priority queue, and we start a for loop of k iteration and add top of the element from the priority queue in our sum and replace it by divide by 2. Okay, so now try to code this problem. So what we do? Firstly, we make a priority queue. Name is PQ, new priority queue. In Java, priority queue default implements default type as max min heap, but we here we need a max heap. So we apply a method collections dot reverse order. So here we take the max heap. Okay, so PQ is our max heap. Now what we do? We add all the element of the array in our priority queue. Okay, so to start with 0. What we do? PQ dot add. So we here we add all the element from the array in our priority queue. Take the answer whose initial value is 0. For k time we start a loop and take int value equals to what? PQ dot peak. We take the topmost value from the priority queue. Okay, and add in our sum and delete it from the priority queue and add the. Now try to compile this code. Well, sum. So guys, code is compiled successfully. Now we try to submit this code. Okay guys, code is compiled and successfully submitted. Thank you for watching this video. Follow for the next video for the upcoming question of Geeks for Geeks platform. Thank you so much.